Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1808, the cornerstone for the new college library was laid in a ceremony coinciding with Thomas Jefferson's birthday. Construction costs were estimated at $15,000, with funds donated by Andrew Carnegie and J.P. Morgan. This week in 1910, Professor McManaway discovered that his horse and carriage were missing. He assumed that they had been stolen and proceeded to file a complaint. Days later, both horse and buggy were found, grazing on clover in a neighboring field. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.